Del Pilar. Game siap. Alisin. Del Pilar for the rebound. Carlos for 3. Ramones. Saint 5. May hangover pa si Benjo.
Fabio, 17, back number 4.
Apio.
Basket.
Nice. Alisin.
15 minutes, 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Fabio, station, Tumira. Number 12, number 12, number 3, we bubble number 16, follow up.
Carbonell.
Aris, pass 2.
Arag.
1 pass, 1.
Repollo. De Bautista. Arag. Sa 3-point lead by Super Friends over NSD Rapa. Arag. Papio. Ramones. Papio. 1-point lead by Super Friends. Ibanez. Alisin. Carbonell. Alisin. Rebound. Karat. Stolen by Ibanez. 16 seconds. 10 seconds.
8 seconds. 5 seconds.
Score 26-25 in favor of Super Friends.
If you're done with your ex, move on to the next. If you're done with your ex, the only ex I want.
Bautista. To Carlos. Carlos penetrate. Del Pilar. To Amanayan for 3. Na good. Harag. Stolen by Bautista. Papio. Papio. Chase Pibor. 27-26.
14 seconds.
Pollo.
Number 13, pasok number 0. Tira ng 3. Lalagay sa net. Number 13. Basket
Tabla. All 29. Back to back 3 points by Kit Kamanayan. Score 32-29. Ibanez for 3.
For number 24.
Back to back by Kamanayan.
Number 12.
Pollo Ulan ng 3 sa Super Friends. 38-33, 5-point lead.
40 seconds.
42, stolen. Ramones. Carlos 2 points. 4-point lead.
Number 31, Pablo. Basket Thailand.
Boy 2, 2 points.
13-14 score.
Carlos for 3.
Foul number.
Wala.
Number 17.
Bautista all the way, 2 points.
Number 24, second personal foul, Dominic Powell. Bigay kagad.
Sa 1-point lead by Super Friends.
Basket na naman.
Two shots by Canal. Five minutes ka pa dyan. 3-point lead. Isa-isa. Muna yan. Change by. Ramones, pasok. Lopez, 40. Alisin. Askin, askin.
Number 0.
Welcome back, Carlos. Fresh from the Philippines.
Let's get it up. I love this game. Number 23, Mira.
Alisin.
Alisin.
Rebound.
John.
Second, third. Pasarel. Unayan, 3 points. Apio, 2 points. Foul.
23.
Lopez, foul. 2 points, 2 free throws per Kalisin. Kalisin per shot. It's good. It's a 11-point lead by Super Friends over NSD Rapa. 2 of 2 by Kalisin. Scores 58-46 in favor of Super Friends. Del Pilar, all the way, 2 points. It's a 14-point lead by Super Friends over NSD Rapa. Papio, guarded by Kalisin. Papio, last touch Carbonell, same ball. Shot clock rep. 14 seconds. Papio, Kalisin, all the way, na good. Rebound by Kamunayan. Kamunayan, put back is good. Score 62-46. Lopez bringing down the ball. Lopez at nakakampi. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez. Pass to Karag. Karag sa loob. Nabitawan. Another try. Papio. Again. No good. Rebound by Del Pilar. Pass to Carbonell. To Kalisin. Kalisin to Kamunayan. Kamunayan for 3. No good. Rebound by Ibanez. Pass nagdadala. Pinasa kay Karag. Karag. 2 points by Karag. Inbound by Del Pilar. Kamunayan bringing down the ball. 26 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Ay, sorry. First quarter. Second quarter. Bakit ano pa yun? First quarter pa rin yung first quarter pa rin, no?
10 seconds.
Boy 2, all the way. Pinasa pa.
5 seconds.
Kalisin, all the way to Carbonell. 2 points. Score, 64-48. It's a 16-point lead by Super Friends.
Are not ready for the day. It cannot always be night.
Sir, flex I do work. Work 6 of like Mike. He's out of sight. Whoa, you done got me pipe. True man like Ike.
Lagi kami dala.
3 points by Lopez. It's a 13-point lead. Two free throws for Bautista. First throw is good by Bautista. It's a 14-point lead. Second shot by Bautista. 2 after 2. Score 66, 51. Ibanez. Tatang kampe. To Pablo. To Lopez. Lopez for 3. The good. Rebound by Kalisin. Kalisin to Carbonell. Carbonell all the way. The good. Rebound by Lopez. To Papio. To Carag. To Ramones. Ramones. 2 points. Kalisin. to 53. Lopez. Ibanez. Tangka. Atangkampe. To Lopez. Lopez for 3. Bang! 3 points by Lopez. 12-point lead. Repolyo.
Nomor 2, derecho.
10 ang kalamangan ng Super Friends. Carbonell. Kalisin. Kalisin 2 points. Francis, request. Francis, request. Bautista, 2 points.
If you're done with your ex, move on to the next. If you're done with your ex, the only ex I want.
Ramones. All the way. Three points by Ibanez. Carbonell. The burst. Eighty 63. Bautista. To Carbonell. To Kalisin. Repolyo for 3. Na good. Lopez rebound. Tumatakbo ang NSD Rapa. Papio, 2 points. Sa 15-point lead. Repolyo. Penetrate. Pass sa gitna. To Bautista. Bautista for 3. No good. Rebound by Papio. Harag. Stolen by Repolyo. Del Pilar for 3. Bang, bang, bang! Change 5. Lopez. Carlos for 3. Louis to Kamunayan. Kamunayan 2 points. Di ba tawag ng tawag? Lopez to Karag. Karag 2 points by Karag. McJure pull up jumper. Good. Ramones. Tapio 2 points. Carlos pulls the trigger. Bam, bam, bam! My Carlos, welcome back. Papio, 2 points. Carbonell, lefty layup. 90-71. 19-point lead by Superfriend. Karag. Karag. Very good. The wave. Kamunayan. Kamunayan for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Papio, good. Rebound by Weave. Carbonell. Five 97. Soto. Tapio. Lopez.
Pastor number 7, number 7.
Shout out, Bakjur, Luwib. Ibanez. Papio. Score 97-75. Sa 22-point lead by Super Friends over NSD Rapa.
My feet, 10 o'clock the meeting, signing for the key, stacking up the paper, yeah, my yeah, we back in this. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Go! Let's go, let's go, go. We back in this. Turn it up, 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 turn it up. Let's go. Woke up in the penthouse city.
Soto inbounding the ball to Bautista, to Carlos, Del Pilar, Luib, pass to nobody. Lopez for 3. Papio, rebound. Reverse Papio. Nice shot by Papio. Nolan. Counter steal. Batista. Carlos. 2 points. Arag. Papio. Nice shot by Papio. 20-point lead. Carlos, all alone. Masyado malapit to, masyado malapit. Yeah, malayo. Ayaw pa rin. Soto, 2 points. Ibanez. Rebound Carlos to Bautista. Bautista all the way. Scores 103-79. Ramones. Lopez for 3. Good. Del Pilar for the rebound. Tumatakbo si Bautista. Bautista all the way. Score 105-79. Ankle breaker. Fabio. 24-point lead. Ano 7-81. Tama yan, 81. Okay, 83. Mama sa bakal. Super Friends ball. Okay, time out. Pumasok to. Oh. Di washing machine. Ibanez for 3. One-point lead. Louis for 3. Rebound by Karang. Game ball. Wait now. 3.
Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
Sir, flex I do work. Work 6 of 'em like Mike. He's out of sight. Whoa, you done got me pipe. You man like Ike.
Back to the ball game. Away for 3. NSD ball. Soto 2 points. 19-point lead. Arag. Louis for 3. Not good. Papio rebound. Arag. Arag 2 points. Carbonell to Soto. Soto. Rebound Carbonell. Shot is good. Three points, Ibanez. Louis, 3 points. Lopez, na good. Again, Louis. Foul, Louis. Karag, 2 points. Louis, back-to-back 3 points. 20 points by Super Friends over NC Rapa. Louis again. 3 points, back-to-back by Louis. Karag for 3. Soto for 3. Grabe, ang ulan. Lopez. Again, Louis for 3. Grabe. Apat agad yun from Louis. 130. Ay, 2 points lang. 2 points na pala yun. Stepping. Congratulations, Super Friends! Final score is 130 over 101. Ta-ta-ta. Carlos! Carlos! Kasi Carlos? Good. Coach, sino best player mo? Best player, best player.
Defensive player naman.
Saan?
Pamalayan. Defensive player.
Best player ka, di ba? Sino ba? Hello, hello. Pwedeng kumanta? Yes, sir. Okay. Hello, sound check. Okay, welcome sa NSD Basketball League, Open Basketball. Nandito po tayo ngayon para interviewin si
Pamalayan.
Kit Kamunayan, defensive player.
Defensive player.
Defensive player of the game. Gusto ko to, defensive player of the game. Ano masasabi mo, Kit, sa nilaro mo ngayon? At alam ko hindi ka naman defensive player eh. Defensive player ka pero ang ganda ng ginawa mo, nag-defensive player ka ngayon. Ano masasabi mo ngayon?
Actually, sumipag lang ako kasi hindi ako kumain. Pero supposedly, composure ng game, kahit na sabihin nating tawag dito, not competitive yung game pero binigay pa rin nila yung best nila to make it the game final. Then, yun nga, kagaya nga lang sabi namin kanina, straight from the game kasi hindi lang din ito yung makakalaro namin, may mga iba pang ibang teams pang makakalaro. So, supposedly, para ma-compose namin yung groups namin kasi may mga bago. So, yun, inayos lang namin. Konting ano lang, para hindi rin gaanong masaktan ba at friendly game na lang yun.
So, yung safety na lang ng game yung ginano nyo. At the same time, nakafocus kayo sa game. Parang practice game ninyo, preparation para sa mga susunod na game ninyo. Kasi nakita nyo naman yung competition ngayon.
Kaya,
Ito talaga yung open na ano. So,
actually maganda para din sa mga ibang player na tawag dito gusto pang i-compose yung skills nila. And then maganda rin para sa mga bata na naka-join dito to compose this game.
oh. Tsaka yung ano, yung purpose kasi ng liga na to, yung sa mga players na mga retired na GCC na,
Yes.
yung mga rated, nag-aaroon kasi ng boundary. So dito, walang height limit, walang rated, open to.
Kaya maganda.
Kaya labasan na lang ng galing, di ba? Strategy na lang ng coach, tapos yung sa team. So, last words para sa mga nanonood.
Sa mga
Invite mo sila din, shout out ka.
sa mga nanonood ng NSD League, supportan niyo po yung liga na to. Itong liga na po ito is maganda po ang kakalabasan nito kasi open league siya. Lahat from kung sino pa yung mga GCC player na hindi nakalaro, makakalaro ko ito, makikita po ninyo. So, supportahan po natin ang NSD League.
Okay, shout out na
Shout out sa Team Super Friends from Philippines also. Shout out dun sa videographer, Mikey. Salamat. Kay Mrs. din.
Diyan ka lang, sabi ni Mix, dito lang ako, diyan ka lang. Okay, congratulations, Kit. Congratulations. Sa sunod na game ulit. Okay, yung coach ng winning team. And then, interviewin mo natin yung winning coach. Sino pa yung isa na best player? Best player. Okay, coach. Konting konting interview lang. Alamin lang natin kung ano naging preparation mo sa first game ninyo. Alam nyo naman na yung mga kalaban nyo hindi ganun kalakas pero alam ko yung mga susunod na game nyo pinag-ahanda mo na rin.
Kung makikita mo naman, pare-pares lang naman ang player ng Super Friends, diba? Ilan lang naman ang iniikot-ikot yan. Kumbaga, yung sistema namin, dinadala namin in each game. So, para sa akin, tiwala. Hindi naman ako kanina, naglabas ng coach board. Kasi alam naman na yan nila anong gagawin. Sinong shoot, sinong papasa. Marong defense kasi yung laruan ng Super Friends. Hindi mo siya makikita ngayon. Sa next game, maybe. Yun ang kasi ang maganda rito, hindi lang tayo nagpe-prepare para sa ngayon game na to. Yes. So, mahaba to. Kung double round to Ayun. Pag umabot tayo ng 10, single round. Pag nag-siyam lang to, double round tayo. So, 1 to sawa. Pero, yung first round natin, mapalakas pa natin yung second round yan. Ayos. Ayun ang magiging format nito. Basta makikita nyo, Super Friends all the way. Yun, pagandaan nyo mga super team dyan. Ngayon, ano ba sabi mo ngayon sa mga nanonood, pwede ba natin silang invite, mag-like and subscribe sa YouTube? Yes. Sa mga nanonood ngayon sa NSD League, dito kayo manood, open league to. Ito yung hinahanap ng mga karamihan ng mga tao dito sa Doha, sa mga nagliliga. Walang limit. Dito nyo makikita yung mga iniidolahan natin sa mga liga dito sa Qatar. Alright, NSD. Imagine mo, dating mga PBA player, mga kalaban mo dito. Tapos, si Luig, naging player mo. So, fresh from Converge. Diba? So, dito lang din yung mapanood sa NSD League. Tama. Shoutout ka sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, at sa mga tropa. Sa mga, palis na ako. Mamimiss ko ang Doha Qatar, palis na rin ako next week. Pero, all the way pa rin ang team, Matt and Friends, Super Friends. All the way. Thank you, Coach. Thank you. Congratulations again. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. Best player, Carlos. Liga. 15 points, 7 rebounds. Ating congrats ating best player si Carlos. 15 points, 7 rebounds. Renjo Carlos. 15 points and 7 rebounds, 4 assists. Mataas ng stats na ito. Mataas. Inaasahan ko nga si Luig ang ang best player Ano masasabi mo sa game ninyo, sa first game ninyo ngayon?
Ito coach, gagaling lang Pilipinas. Sakto yung mga kalaban, kulang.
Partida pa
Sakto 5 lang sila, parang papawis na namin, tsaka parang training na din namin. Yun lang masasabi ko.
Okay, so ano yung mga pinaghahandaan yung preparation ninyo sa mga susunod na game, lalo na sa Sunday? For sure, medyo mabigat-bigat mga kalaban nyo sa Sunday.
Yung protection namin talaga, coach, yung talaga depensa. Puro defense muna. Ang opensa nandyan na yan
Yun. So magandang magandang strategy yan, yung first defense, then easy offense. Ganun yung magiging kasi lahat naman ng players may offense yan. Yung defense ang mahirap talaga pag-aralan. Kasi karamihan ng player tamad Di ba? Gusto titira na lang. So, pag defense talaga ang minaster muna. At saka sa average kasi, sa lahat ng liga, amateur, pro, school, pag defensive team talagang nananalo Yun yung yun talaga yung nakikita ko na sa average. So maganda yan yung strategy ninyo. So ganito, invite mo sila sa liga natin, sa NSD Basketball League Open.
Ni-invite ko kayo.
Meron tayong YouTube tsaka Facebook.
Sunday ang liga ko na coach.
Sunday, Tuesday.
Sunday, Tuesday. Ni-invite ko kayo manood sa NSD Basketball League. Abangan nyo na mga
gandang laban. Super Friends.
Abangan nyo.
Mga laban super team. Shoutout ka.
Shoutout sa Pilipinas. Makabalik lang. Hangover pa, jet lag. Salamat.
Partida pa, jet lag pa. Okay, congrats.
Salamat.
Okay. Thank you very much. Let's go back again on Sunday. NSD. Ayos.